So the project I'm gonna present today is LED sensor. So basically what it's about is you turn on the light, the LED light using ultrasonic sensor. So the design basically you just use the raspberry circuit ultrasonic sensor, LED, push button and a alarm. For the programming, you have to show it.
That's fine.
Okay, just use Python to program. And test is the LED light support to turn. So I have 5 LED light from red, green, blue, and yellow. So as you get closer, all of them should be turned on, and the alarm should gone off. And to turn it off, you push the button. Yeah, basically. Yeah, so the alarm should gone off when all the LED lights turn on, and you stop it when the button is pushed. And program. So as you can see, nothing turned on yet. So I have to move closer in order for the LED to turn on. Okay, so the red light should turn on, and the green, and blue, and then yellow, and the alarm should gone off, if you can hear it. So to stop it, basically just put in button right here, and reset the whole thing. Yeah.
Hey, do you guys have any questions for him?
Yes.
What was the hardest part?
How to reset the loop. Yeah. That's it. Yes.
What was the easiest part?
Just make the light turn on now. Yeah.
Okay, any other questions? All right, let's give him a round of applause.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. Oh.
How did you plug the wires? Like, was it difficult?
If you know before, then it should be different.
Yeah, he has a sheet that tells him what pin does what to control. If you take a look at the at his thing, you want to show him your variables that define your pins.
This? Yeah. So each pin is assigned to a. So each pin is assigned to a different variable. So you can see red is assigned for pin 7, green for pin 11, and so on and so on. Yeah, that's how you know which light should turn on.
Okay, does anyone else have any questions? All right, let's give him a round of applause.